Hello guys, we are back with another problem, and this is a pretty flat problem compared to other problems, but this problem will actually test you whether you know formulas or not. That's what this problem is actually checking. It's not checking your concept and whatever. So just look and stick to the basics of formula that we have talked in the very first video of this surface area and volume calculation series. So let's begin with it. What is the total surface area of a right circular cone of height 14 centimeter, base radius 7 centimeter? So the cone, they want us to ask and produce a cone. So the cone will be here, something like that. So base radius means this is the base of the cone. The radius of this base, this is the R. So this base radius is equals to 7 centimeter, and the height of the cone, and the height of the cone means, obviously height means this is the length that we are talking about. This is the height. So height of the cone is 14 centimeter, and it is provided. And what we need to find out? We need to find out the surface area and total surface area. Remember, two types of surface area is there. One is the slant, another one is the total surface area, another one is the curved surface area. So total surface area we need to calculate in this case. Okay, so what is the formula? Remember the formula for the surface area, the total surface area formula. Usually the formula is pi RL plus pi R square, right? And among these values, what we are having R, the value is already provided, but we don't know L. So what is L? So we need to find out L first to calculate the surface area of the total cone, right? So we need to find L, right? So L means this distance is simply termed as L. So we need to find out this length, right? So we know H, we know R, so we need to calculate it, right? So now let's find out L here. So L we know equals to square root of, so let me put it here in this way, square root of H square plus R square, right? So R square plus H square, that's how we get L. So R square is 7 square plus H square will be 14 square. So the values here will get 245 inside, and as a result of that will be 7 root 5 centimeter. This is going to be L. So once we find out the L, it will be very easy for us to calculate the total surface area for the cone. And what will be the total surface area? We have already put the equation there, and that is total. Let me write total surface area. Total surface area, and that is equals to pi RL plus pi R square. So now pi RL plus pi R square. So let's put the values here. Let's put it. So 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into R, and the value of R is, remember, 7 into L is 7 root 5. This is it, plus pi into R means 7 into R square means double R. So R into R is given. So here we go for 7 will cut each other out. So we simply left up with this value 22 into 7 root 5. We haven't done any multiplication now, and again instead of pi we should put here, so let me put here a 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 should be instead of pi, so again 7 will go, so 22 into 7 will be here. So what we can do, we can just take 22 into 7, right? So this is the case. We just take 22 into 7 common, and we left up with only root 5 plus 1, and we need to calculate the values. After calculating all these values, we get this as a result, right? This as a result, and this is the surface area that we're talking about, right? This is it, right? 498.35. If you have a calculator, you do all these things using calculator, you can get the value pretty easily, and that is this. Now remind you, for many kind of competitive exams, they won't allow you to use calculators. In those cases, you just leave it as it is until that point, because you just can do this and simply get the value like 154. Just keep up to this level and you take this as an answer. But if you are having some way of doing it, just do it and you get this value. And once you get this value here, you can just easily look at here whether this value is provided or not. And yes, this value is provided in option C. So option C is going to be the correct option for this question. And this question is nothing to actually utilize for your brain to actually get this answer. It's pretty flat. Only you need to know the formulas for calculating total surface area, that is pi RL plus pi R square, and to calculate the L, or this uh, length, right? This length, and that is square root of R square plus H square. Once you get this formulas known, everything will be very easy for you to solve this problem. And that's it, guys. Thank you.